Dr. Heriberta Maglaki. And from our board members, Dr. Rodelisa Castro, Dr. Ayuyao Nonilong, Dr. Soligar Nina Rockguel, magandang umaga po, Dr. Milagros Cortez, lahat po ng ating mga panauhin, to all the future teachers, mga kalalawigan, karehiyon, from all over Region 3, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. We observed this morning an event called Student Teachers Congress, spearheaded by the Philippine Association for Teacher Education Region 3 chapter. It is indeed my honor to be invited and stand before the future sirs and moms of the never-ending cycle of learning and knowledge acquisition.